Sean bienvenidos. Are you ready to impress your Spanish-speaking friends or colleagues with your Spanish? If so, then you have arrived to the right channel. My name is Jorge Fernandez and I'm a passionate of languages. I'm here to share my culture and my teaching skills to help you improve your Spanish pronunciation and speaking abilities. So, that's why we have created this series for you. In this video, the idea is for you to unlock your Spanish fluency, in this case, focusing on specific sounds, like the sound of S in Spanish. So are you ready? Then follow me. The purpose of this video is to help you improve the pronunciation of the sound that we have in Spanish, and to avoid certain mistakes that sometimes English speakers make. One of the common mistakes that English speakers have is that they voiced the sound of S. This is the Spanish S. S. Okay? It's an unvoiced sound. It's an unvoiced sound. So one of the common mistakes that English speakers have is that they produce a voiced sound. The S in Spanish is unvoiced. So with that in mind, let's go to el pollo del arroz con pollo, meaning let's go to the important thing here. In order to produce these sounds correctly, I want you to use the tip of your tongue and place it behind your upper teeth. Do it with me. Good. Now you close your teeth like this, with the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth, and then you release the air without using your vocal cords, okay? Good. So, see, a good way to remember this sound is if you picture a snake. If you picture a snake, right, going around you and producing this sound, like it's kind of a scary picture, but it's for you to remember like how the sound should be heard. Okay, so good. So the letter is called S. S. Perfect. So let me give you a hack on how you can practice and improve this pronunciation sound. You have to isolate the sound, like you have to practice the sound individually. Like here. See? Good. Then you're gonna practice the sound with syllables, then with words, and eventually you want to use the sound in small sentences. But let me give you an example on how this looks like. First of all, with the vowels, okay? Sa, 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 good. Say, 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 very good. See, this is how you do it. So, so, good. See, 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 very good. See, which is like yes, see, very good. It's also a word, right? Okay, so finally we have with the vowel U, su, su. So we have the four of them. Sa, se, so, si, su. And then you want to use the speed a little bit when you feel comfortable with the sound. Sa, se, so, si, su. Good. Sa, se, so, si, su. Perfect. We're going to start with the vowel and then end with the sound, okay? For example, here we have as, as, es, os, os, good. Is, is, us, us. Very good. Sas, sas. Very good. Ses, ses. Sas, ses. Good. Sos, sos, sos. Very good. Sas, ses, sos. Sis, sis. Sus, sus. Good. Sas, ses, sos, sis, sus. Very good. Let's move forward and use the sound in words. Sábado, sábado. Salir, salir. Sentencia, sentencia. Sentar, sentar. Sombra, sombra. Sombrero, sombrero. Silencio, silencio. Sirena, sirena. Sueño, sueño. Suma, suma. Let's remember that we focused on a specific sound, the sound of S in Spanish. Then we use the sound with vowels and eventually with words. Look for sentences that has this sound. I'm gonna give you some examples for you to have an idea. You can also use this example for further practice, or you can Google some others. Good, I'm super happy that you have stayed till the end, and I want to leave you with this phrase, this bonus phrase, okay? It's a very cute phrase, and it says, Sorullo, suelta lo que no es tuyo. Hey, Sorullo, suelta lo que no es tuyo. Good. Now, for you to have an idea of the context of the phrase, let me give you an easy example. Imagine that your friend visits you at home, and all of a sudden you see your friend using your phone without asking for your permission, let's say. And then you say, hey, Sorullo, suelta lo que no es tuyo. So he's using something, or let's say wearing a piece of clothes that it doesn't belong to him or her. So in this case, you can use this phrase. Okay? Make sense? If no, let me know in the comments so I can go back and review the phrase for you. I really hope that you have found something valuable in this video. And if so, please share the content, subscribe, hit the notification button so you get up to date with our next videos. Which is, by the way, we're gonna keep working on specific sounds that sometimes we may mistake when learning Spanish. The next one, it's about a similar sound to the letter S. So, see you in the next video, and remember, speak Spanish with a smile. Ciao.